The pricing line in panel A then becomes a budget of sorts for consumers who choose some point on that line that maximizes their utility. The high-demand magenta consumers then end up consuming more than the lower-demand blue consumers. We have then shown that a monopolist who does not know who is a high-demand consumer and who is a low-demand consumer can set a two-part pricing formula with a fixed charge and a per-unit price, such that the behavior of the two types of consumers will reveal whether they are high-demand or low-demand types. This is then a form of second-degree price discrimination, a form that restricts the monopolist to charging a single pricing formula to everyone, a formula that has a fixed component and a per-unit price, but where the fixed component and the per-unit price apply the same to all consumers. And, as in our treatment of second-degree price discrimination in Part A of the chapter, the low-demand type consumer gets no consumer surplus because the fixed fee is set to be equal to the consumer surplus that a low-demand consumer would get at the per-unit price that is being charged.